Hello gentlemen, it's Martin Szreter, 2nd of February. Let's have a look what's happening in Bitcoin, Ethereum and our cryptocurrency market as of today. So today we had a dump, like I had, from 106 to straight to 96k. So basically by 10,000, that's a decent drop, right? And basically the 106 was not that long time ago. So that was even bigger impact because of that. If we look into the liquidity, basically most of the liquidity was grabbed below us. So yeah, if that's the case, then the only remaining is above us. How many people got wrecked? Actually, almost 1 billion. So we had 800 million longers, 1 million, 100 million shorters, but they will increase now because everyone starts shorting the bottom. Usually, that's how it looks like. Yeah, here is the chart. That's exactly how the reality looks like. Look how many people got wrecked. And usually in the bull market, that's the case. Actually, people get wrecked more often than the shorters. That's crazy, but that's how it is. If we look into the 4 hours chart, that's everything you need to know. Like Bitcoin dominance is absolutely the overbought. And actually it broke the resistance, I will show you in a second. And altcoins are crashed, basically crashed, okay? They have no luft anymore, air. Where the altcoins? So altcoins sit in 50, our alt season index, which is there since middle of December. So it's already the second month where we see that these levels. And then if we look at our big four, so when we see Bitcoin, Ethereum, US 500, and I have switched to others, so we can track also shitcoins. That's how it looks like. So basically, shitcoins are the same chart pattern as Ethereum. It's basically copy paste. I also think that's why Ethereum is dumping, because all algos are aligned to others. That's maybe the reason. This is just a hypothesis, but just my idea here. But anyway, that's how the price action looks like. So actually looks crap today. It was difficult day today if you were longer. And yeah, others already explained to you. Plus, let's have a look where we are. There's all the season in the middle. Everything is red because everything has dumped. But still it's not the top of the season. And I think so. There is many reasons why it's like this. But let's have a look into them. That's the most interesting chart. Look, I was curious about this one. And yeah, we got the red candle like almost to the middle of the previous candle. Of course, the every situation is different, but if you would like to copy the Ethereum, ETF for gold, that's it stand for this candle. It was completely green. We didn't get a decent pullback, but that's I think quite clear. Right? We had a big breakout. Now consolidation doesn't change anything in the long term. Basically anything. We may still do the same thing, but price will never do exactly the same thing as it did before, right? So that's exactly the case. And then you can say, yeah, what if we have still more putbacks? Everything can happen. But for spot, basically there is no bigger change. Still, only person and people who got fucked were the future guys who got longed in the wrong time. And that was actually not easy to predict. That's the Ethereum chart. I need to tell you, I was extremely bullish and I thought that 3,200 was area to hold and go higher. Of course, every pullback, happens there. We need to have a stop losses, right? But yeah, I think it's a great lesson for future when everyone is like waiting for decent pump, which will come. Then actually market makers say, okay, fuck you. Before we pump, we dump you guys. So it looks like this is the theory. Basically, market makers who BlackRock, Fidelity, they look at this chart. They trade algos, right? It's not like everything sitting there and pressing sell. So this is the liquidity game, probably. If the whole market is long, they will short, and opposite. If all market is short, they will long. That's usually how it is. I'm just reviewing the chart, and if we look to the big four like XRP, Solana, Doge, ADA, XRP stays the strongest, but that should be a surprise. However, this monthly candle doesn't look optimistic so far. but still much better compared to all others. If we look into the Bitcoin sell close, we had a actually pullback, which we didn't see before. What a surprise. We don't have to have copy paste, right? But yeah, that's the reality. So it's the same chart on Glassnode. And yeah, high level, really nothing changed. If you are Michael Saylor and buying $500 million Bitcoin in spot, nothing changed. I mean, your portfolio got a little bit crashed, okay? But still, in the long term, nothing changed. Rainbow, 300K. Stock to income, stock to flow, 300K. ETF inflows, outflows over the weekend, they don't work, I think. So we are waiting for tomorrow. Bitcoin is always the same. Yeah, good trend as the price of Bitcoin. Minus 11% quarterly letters. Yeah, that's a bit crazy. But the more red, the more green it will be at the end. I mean, it can be. Oh. So who lost today? Bitcoin lost the most because it was 2.2, so basically 3% is a lot of money, right? And all other charts basically looks with no change. So yeah, despite of this dump which we had today, like the all data is actually bullish. There is no reason to be bearish. And that's why probably market makers liquidated so many people, because we're too hawkish and too bullish. I don't see another reason. I see this like a manipulation to kick out everyone from their positions and now rest of the bull run. And that's my hypothesis. But we will know in the next, very quickly actually, next 3-4 weeks, basically February, I think we'll close still and green candle after this pullback. So yeah, guys, stay strong and talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.